how to start a return request on eBay. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up if we want to do so. So let's follow the steps for that. First of all, let's head over to ebay.com, which is this following interface, and go to my eBay option in the top right and select it. After that, select the option of purchase history or orders. Go to the left-hand side, look out for purchases, and this is our order section here. Now, from the specific section, we just need to find the order that we want to return and select the option return this item. After that, once we select that option, we can choose a reason for the return. For example, the item is damaged, the item as is not described, something like that. And you can add even photos or comments if needed. And you can click on the submit option to submit the return request. And what will happen next is the seller will review the request. They may approve the return and send a return shipping label, also offer a refund or replacement, and sometimes even ask for more details. And more items can be returned within 30 days after delivery, most of the items, depending upon the seller's returns policy. But you can just go and follow this method, and that way you should be able to start a return request on eBay. So we hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and subscribe for more.